Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to register your home on Airbnb mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Then tap on Become a Host or tap List your Space. Now tap Get Started to begin registering your home. Choose the type of space you are renting, entire home, private room or shared room. Enter your address, number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Then select how many guests your place can accommodate. Add clear bright photos of your home, living room, bedroom, bathroom and kitchen. Then write a friendly description of your home and what guests can expect. Choose your price, cleaning fee and set your calendar for when your home is available. Airbnb might suggest a price but you can adjust it anytime. Review all your details one last time. When you are ready, tap publish listing and your home is now registered on Airbnb and ready for guests. And that's it. You have successfully registered your home on Airbnb using just your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.